Well, I had my time with you. Always enjoy me and you, what we did, what we went through, me and you. I went out, looked for what I could do next. Found it right out the door, didn't have to look no more. It was nothing made up, actual work needed to be done. Came home, cleaned the floors, cleaned the clothes, helped wash a few things. Got my life together for the new day. Get on my knees, clean the floor. Got to think about how much the days mean to me. Got to dream about how wonderful it is to be alive. Walk through the trees, walk with the wind. Listen to the birds sing.